this is your tarot reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. Cards for Sagittarians for March 2021. Hi Sagittarians, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have all tied up energy in your cards, which is suggesting in the reverse position, so which is suggesting that maybe you were suffocating in the past, recent past. You were feeling trapped, you were feeling caught up in a wrong situation, suffocated, distanced and politically trapped, and you were feeling helpless. But now is the time when you are going to cut all the cords and cut all the fear and move out of it. So even angels are suggesting you to vacuum away fear. So this could be the situation which is psychological, which is your mind situation. Mind is playing game against you. So now in this month you are going to cut these boundaries and you are going to feel positive. You are going to vacuum away the fear and face life as it comes and in the best possible way. So coming to your relationships, Wheel of Fortune in the upright position is suggesting a very beautiful period in your in your relationship, when your relationship is going to bloom. It is going to be in a positive set. It is going to turn around to a positive side. You are going to experience all the love, abundance, warmth, care from your partner, from your relatives, from your friends. Whichever relationship was bothering you, it is going to take a paradigm shift to the positive side and you are going to experience the abundance. That's the magic of the current time. Experience it. Let go all the burden, negative experiences that you had from the same relationship, which is pulling you back from experiencing the positivity in that relationship. So let it go and experience the positivity of the relationship to its optimum level. Coming to your career, we have Knight of Pentacles, upright position, very beautiful card. It is suggesting that you are all prepared for a new opportunity. Whether in the current job or in the different job or in a different business setup, you are all skilled, all ready to shift to something better in your career. It could be even for people who are students, it could be that you are planning for some abroad travel where you want to upgrade your course, upgrade your skills. For people who are already working, it could be somewhere you're upgrading your course, upgrading your skill set for a better opportunity, and you might have to travel for it. It could be people who are planning to go abroad. You might be getting some good opportunity for going abroad and exploring things for work also, or for education for that matter. Just while doing all these things, you have to be careful that you have to be connected to your source soul. Don't let it sway. Otherwise, if it sways, if it falls in the wrong path, you will be directionless. So just take care of that. Otherwise, things are looking really great for you in career front. Optimize it to the fullest level. Coming to your finances, you were maybe going through a very financial imbalance state. People were trying to trying to create a lot of problems in financial segment, but now you're going to come out of it. Be conscious of what financial decisions you're making, what you're expending, what you're not, and that consciousness will help you to come out of that mess which you're going through in financial segment. Coming to your health, 8 of Pentacles, reverse positions, or somewhere you're acting lazy in taking care of your health. Don't do that, friends, because that can really cost you badly. Try to be in harmony with the current environment that you are in, with the mental environment that you are in, psychological environment that you are in, and try to work on your health proactively so that you don't end up losing your health or faltering your health in the long term. Your energy chakra card is advising abundance. So abundance time is around the corner, or it is all, you're already experiencing it. So optimize it to the best possible level. Those who are facing problems or issues, if you are Hindus, you can actually pray to Lord Ganesha and things might sort out. You might get a inclination, you might get a synchronicity or message from your intuition to tackle the problem in the best possible way. Those who are non-Hindus or belong to other religions, try to focus on your core strength and your core belief and yourself. Try to focus on your inner self, on your root chakra, and try to work on it. Things will shape up. So connect with your whichever god you believe on, who will give you strength and guidance. So that is around the corner. Vacuum away fear is the message from angels. Totally vacuum away fear. Let it go. Let it go, so that you are able to experience the change in the time that time is bringing you. So I really hope, Sagittarians, this message, this reading will help you to plan your coming month. Very good luck to all. So friends, I really hope that this video, this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.